StablWall carbon fiber uses a unidirectional application pattern. For this horizontal cracks video, StablWall will be applied in a vertical direction. Begin the installation by prepping your surface, using a 4-inch to 6-inch diamond tip hand grinder to remove any paint from the wall where the carbon sheets will be placed. It is recommended to attach the grinder to a HEPA shop vac to minimize dust. Additional grinding of the wall will be necessary on a poured concrete foundation to ensure a more even surface. Pour paste filler A into paste filler B. Mix thoroughly. The paste is ready when the mix turns completely gray. Fill in all the cracks, even those where you will not be placing StablWall. To create a smooth surface, you may apply the paste filler mix in the mortar joints of a concrete block wall where StablWall will be applied. On a poured concrete foundation, you must apply additional paste filler to ensure there are no deep ridges on the surface. This prevents the appearance of air bubbles and allows the carbon fiber to be flush with all areas of the wall. Pour primer B into primer A. Stir at least 20 times. Pour the mix into your tray liner, then use your roller and roll the primer on the wall where you will be applying StablWall carbon fiber. Let the primer soak into the pores of the concrete for about 10 to 15 minutes. Mix your bonding adhesive A and bonding adhesive B together. Stir at least 20 times. Pour the mix into your other tray. Then use a clean roller and roll an even coat onto the wall. Not too thick, but not too thin. You don't want the bonding to be dripping down the wall. Without waiting, take your pre-cut carbon fiber sheet and press the sheet on the wall over the top of the bonding. Use your ribbed roller and roll from the center of the sheet of carbon fiber towards the edges, taking care to remove all air bubbles. You want the sheets to be flush with the wall and do not want air behind the carbon fiber sheet, as that will compromise the strength. Make sure to use a fair amount of pressure when rolling out the air bubbles. Apply one last coat of bonding over the carbon fiber sheet and use the ribbed roller one more time to remove any other air bubbles. Curing time takes 24 to 48 hours. You are then free to paint over StablWall, making it virtually unnoticeable.